Hey guys, welcome to day 11 of my 12 days of Christmas. Today we have this adorable little mint mug. This kind of pearly mint. It says Merry Christmas, and on the back it has some glittered deer. Like, how cute is that? Yeah, there's something about mugs. There's something about epoxied mugs that I just adore. They're just so cute and so fun, and I just thought this little mint kind of color was so festive and just really nice. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I did this mug, let's get into the tutorial. And don't forget to check out tomorrow, day 12 of my 12 days of Christmas. Also, I am doing another giveaway on tomorrow's video, so don't forget to check it out. And tomorrow's gonna be Christmas, so Merry Christmas, and yeah, check out the video tomorrow for the final day and the giveaway. All right, bye. So I found this cute little mug. I've used this kind before and I just absolutely love the shape of it. But I got this at TJ Maxx for $12.99. So just taking off the lid and the stickers. Then using Mattify to prep my cup for paint. Then I found this paint, and this is the closest one to the mint shade that I wanted. And I forgot to take the little rubber black thing off the bottom. I ended up taking it back off later and repainting, but you get the point. So it wasn't really mint. I had this vision of like a really pearlescent mint shade. So I'm just making a like alcohol ink, I guess you could say, out of this pearlescent with like a green shift mica powder and some alcohol. So I'm just mixing that together to kind of form a kind of paste, like a thin paste, I guess you could say. So then taking a little foam brush, and this kind of technique you can use with any of these like pearlescent mica powders on top of any color, and it'll give you like a different look every time. But look how beautiful that turns out. I was obsessed. I did not think it was going to look as good as it does. It seriously just changes the look completely of that kind of more teal shade and makes it look more like a mint, a light pearlescent mint like I had in mind. So just doing that to the entire cup. I'm not sure if there's something you could use that would make it a little bit smoother. It ended up pretty smooth, but there was a couple spots where I could see little brush strokes. So I'm not sure, if there's some more kind of sponge or brush that would work better for this, but this worked pretty well. I just love the shine. It's so pretty. So then you're going to want to clear spray that several times. I think I ended up spraying it 3 times just to really seal that on there, so then when we go in with epoxy, it won't move. So now doing my Artistry epoxy. Once that was dry, I cut out these little cute deer, and I originally was going to do the whole cup in these little deer, but then I decided, since my silhouette machine was not working and I had to get these cups done, these little deer were taking too long and they were not being cut out well. So I ended up just doing the design on the back, but I cut these out, then just laying them on my cup with some clear transfer tape. Then I just laid 4 of these little deer on the back. Then taking some Mod Podge and a little paintbrush, I just took a paintbrush and kind of globbed it on there. You want a decent amount so that your glitter sticks, but you don't want too much that it runs. So it's tricky to just get the right amount. So this is Holiday from my Christmas collection. I'm using the small cut. Just sprinkling that on there while the vinyl was still on, then peeling it off. And I felt like it took a lot of the glitter off anyways, so I put more glitter on this, and then I decided to try just doing the Mod Podge and then peeling off the vinyl and then glittering. But either way, it was kind of just not working the best because it's so small, I think. And I actually think if I would have done the epoxy method with this, like I did in yesterday's video, the Christmas star, I feel like it would have worked a lot better. It probably would have held the glitter on the cup way better than Mod Podge did. Just something to keep in mind if you want to do something similar to this. So I kept going with my 4 little deer, and it looks like a mess, but I don't want to touch the around the deer to clean off the glitter. You just want to leave it. Trust me, do not try to remove any of it at this point, because you'll end up smearing your Mod Podge and where your glitter is. So just leave it looking a mess. We will clean it up later. See, so it was dry and I just brushed off the excess glitter, and you can see our cute little deer. On the front, I cut out this little Merry Christmas decal. I just thought it was really pretty and it just matched the style of the cup. So I actually got this little decal and the leaves and everything on the Canva app. It was just already like this. So if you haven't checked out Canva, check it out. They have so much cool stuff on there. So just transferring that to my cup and pressing it on. So then, because my deer weren't perfect, I decided to go in and clean them up a little bit and add a little bit more glitter, just with a small paintbrush and some more Mod Podge. It was mainly the antlers and the legs that just didn't look right, so I just carefully kind of added a little bit more, and I think they turned out okay. But like I said, I think that doing this with epoxy would have worked a million times better. So then after I cleaned up the deer and they were dry, I got these little stickers. I think they're from Michael's, but I don't really remember. But these little stickers are awesome. I also have them in silver, and they're so cute and so easy to use. So I just decided to put a couple of them in between all the little deer on the front. And this gold is slightly different than the gold I used, but it still ended up looking really nice. So after that, I added 2 more layers of the Artistry Epoxy to finish off my little deer mug. Then once it was done, I took it off the turner and put the lid back on. And here it is all done. I just can't get over how beautiful the mica powder on there is. I mean, the possibilities with this are endless. You could just put this, like any kind of shimmery mica powder, you can do this on any color paint and it's gonna look so much better than just flat paint. So now to package this, I wanted to use a gift box. I found this one at Hobby Lobby for $3.99. I also found these really cute little chocolates that just matched the theme perfectly. And I found this ring, which is freaking cute, and I ended up keeping this ring just because I love it so much. But again, it matches the little mint theme. And then I found this really pretty tinsel garland. It was only $1.99, but I thought it would just look so pretty in this box with this cup. So I did this to where it's just like an open gift, but you could just put everything inside and put the lid back on. So using some tissue paper in the bottom to give us some height and make sure everything doesn't fall too far to the bottom. Then adding our little tinsel. Then I thought it would be cute to put the chocolates and the ring inside the cup. So I left the lid off and just kind of stacked them inside. So then just throwing the lid on underneath. Then I added some more tissue paper just on the sides just to kind of make it look a little more full and fluffy. And that is how it turned out. I just think it's such a pretty little gift. I love matching colors like this mint and gold theme. Just so cute. Make sure you stay tuned for tomorrow. It is Christmas tomorrow. So happy Christmas Eve. And I'll see you tomorrow for the 12th day. Thank you guys. Bye. Christmas